Hi people! Ako si Rionang Batuting at ang routine natin for tonight is magbabasa tayo ng libro. Ayan, babasa na si Riona ng book. Ayan. Riona, you read na ito nga pala ang Little Star, Early Learning Fruits and Vegetables. What's this, Riona? Carrots. How about this one? Ay, that one. What is that? Ano? Melon. Watermelon. Watermelon. Waddle. Ato, ano to? Wow, galing. How about that one? Papaya. Good job. Pear.
Apple.
Wow, galing ako na. Eggplant. Wow. Cabbage. What else? Carrots. Ata. Carrots matlaang. How about this one, Riona? What's that? Oh. Oo, ano yan? Anong pangalan yan? What kind of fruit is that? Hindi. Mango. Yummy. How about this one? Cauliflower. How about that one? Saging. What's the English of saging? English. Banana. How about this one? Grapes. How about this one? Tomato.
Apple.
Hindi apple yan. Ano to?
Papaya.
Good job. Apple. What's that? Orange. How about this one? Spinach. Ito. Spinach. Ito. Oo, pichay. Pero spinach na yan. Spinach. 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 Nge. Spinach. Spinach. Ngek. One. No pichay, color white. DJ tangkay na. No spinach, green amin. Oh, ato. Ano to? Pumpkin. About this one? Pampinalpas, unang. What's that? Peach. Wow, ang galing ah. You remember it already. How about this one? Kiwi. How about this one? Beet. Hawak mo ang beet. How about this one? Lemon. Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye people. Saan ka pupunta? Ay, apo. Agmilk ka nung... Open.